The Australian share market looks set for another tentative performance today after the sell-off continued on overseas markets last night. Wall Street and European markets fell as investor concerns turned away from European sovereign debt issues and towards more confirmation of an economic slowdown in recent months. Amongst disappointing economic reports released on the night, US housing starts plunged 10.6% in April, far less than the lift that economists had expected, while factory output actually declined for the first time in 10 months during April. Meanwhile, on the European front, UK inflation soared to 4.5% in April, suggesting a rate hike is imminent there, while German business confidence also slumped in early May. But despite all of that negativity offshore, an hour into trade, the ASX 200 index is actually 2 points or less than 0.1% higher, with strength in most of the market offsetting some weakness in the resources following a drop in metal prices. And in company news, shares in our agriculture-related entities are enjoying strong buying after US wheat futures surged nearly 4% in overnight trade on fears that a heat wave in America's Great Plains could further impact an already weather-dented harvest. That sees GrainCorp shares up more than 6.5% to $8.13. And our uranium miners are under considerable pressure after our largest company, Paladin Energy, indicated that current uranium prices have fallen too low to justify an expansion at the company's flagship mine, Langer Heinrich, in Namibia. The company's CEO, John Borshoff, said that uranium companies will need a greater return to be investing in future projects, with uranium prices falling to $50 US a pound following the recent Japanese disaster. The company's $426 million investment in Langer Heinrich isn't justifying the risks at this point in time. That sees Paladin Energy shares down nearly 2% at $3.09. And on the currency front, the Australian dollar has enjoyed strong support in the overnight session after the minutes from the RBA's last board meeting indicated that our central bank continues to expect a rate hike in the near future. Our dollar is currently buying 106.3 US cents. This is Toby Grimm for Young Stockbrokers.